Hey everyone. So in last video we saw how to wrap your text in different lines. So in this video we're going to use this function to actually draw the Multiline text in our magic card. So let's start with what we have so far here. Let's wrap our example text. Wrap multiline text, Lauren, text font, and as the max width, we are going to use this width here that we verified before, and we are going to also use this coordinate here of this text area rectangle. So okay, so wrapped our text. And then we are going to write this text in the magic card. So we start image. Here text loading wrapped 0 font equals text square. The x coordinate here of the rectangle, we're going to use the x arrow x, and for y we're going to use x y. Okay, so we can see that we wrote the first line of our loading example text within the area we checked before. So if we check the other lines here, we can see that no lines overflow the text area. That is the intended behavior of the function we design. Okay, so now that our wrap text function worked properly, we need to write a function to actually write the multiline text. So in Peel, they have a function for this, but let's write a helper function wrapping this Peel function. So write multiline text, we give an image, we pass the multiline text, the font, the x coordinate, and the y coordinate of the text. So first we make a copy of the image. Then we create a draw object like we have done before. Then we are going to use the function draw.multiline text. Here we need to pass the x, y coordinate, the multiline text, our font, the color we want our text to be, and then the spacing between the lines. Spacing, let's place 4. Okay, so let's return our image. So now if you try to our function here, write multiline text, here we pass as image our magic card template, as our multiline text we will pass the example text we generated here, but here we are not passing the list of strings, we are actually passing a /n separated sentences, so we need to join this list with the /n. So Lauren wrapped. Then we are passing the font, text font, the x, we are going to pass the same area, the x area, and the y, the same text area, y. Okay, so we can see that we did not achieve our objective yet, but we are in the right path. We can see that now the text, although that we draw the multiline text, it overflows in the y coordinate. So how can we solve this problem? Well, with the current font size, we did the best we could. That was to break the line here on these spaces, so they did not overflow. But now, in order to solve this, we have to reduce the size of the text. So let's make some experiment with this. Lauren font, let's create another font here. True type, assets, fonts, text, .df. Let's place 18 here. Wrapped. Actually, we have to generate again our line wrapped, since it takes into consideration the font size. So Lauren font, text area, text area width. And now let's again call this guy here, but now with this Lauren font here. So what is wrong? Yeah, here. So okay, the same, because the previous font was 18 also. So if you reduce this, we can see that as we reduce, the text starts to fit in the text area. So we can see that also the line breaks here change. That is because when we wrap our text and pass the max width, this takes into consideration the font size. So since we are using the same font for wrapping the text throughout the text, as it should be, when we reduce this, we also increase the amount of words we can place in one line. So this is the reason why the line breaks are changing. So if you move one more, we can see that the proper size seems to be 13. If you go to 12, it will be too small. 13 fits okay. 14 overflows a little bit here, so possibly the proper size here in this example is 13. So now what we have to do is to create a function that discovers this value here of 13 automatically. So this will be the subject of our next video. So I'll see you there. Bye bye.